Welcome back to day 31 of our 100 days of Java course. Today we are learning two powerful data structures, stack and queue. These are everywhere in real life, even if you don't realize it. So what is a stack? Think of a stack of plates in your kitchen. You can only add a new plate on top and remove the plate from the top. So the rule is last in, first out. Example in computers, undo button. The last action you did is the first action that gets undone. What is a queue? Think of a queue at a ticket counter. The first person who enters is the first one who leaves. So the rule is first in, first out. In computers, printer jobs. The first file you send to the print gets printed first. Let's do an example, undo and redo simulation with stack. Undo stack keeps track of actions you have done. Redo stack keeps track of actions you have undone. Import java.util.scanner, import java.util.stack, public class undo redo, public static void main string args, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Stack string undo stack equal to new stack, stack string redo stack equal to new stack. While true, system.out.println choose an option. 1 do action, 2 undo, 3 redo, 4 exit. Int choice equal to sc.nextInt, sc.nextLine. Switch choice, case 1, system.out.print, enter action, string action equal to sc.nextLine. Undo stack.push action, redo stack.clear. Once you do a new action, redo history resets. System.out.println, action done plus action. Break. Case 2, undo. If not undo stack.is empty, string undone equal to undo stack.pop. Redo stack.push undone. System.out.println undone plus undone. Else system.out.println nothing to undo, break. Case 3, redo. If not redo stack.is empty, string readone equal to redo stack.pop, undo stack.push redone, system.out.println redone plus redone, else system.out.println nothing to redo, break. System.out.println exiting, sc.close, return, default system.out.println invalid choice. So the output will be